francolin. The blue bulls, male. How was your safari?
It was fine. Good, very good.
Very good. So, Rajaji National Park, Ranipur Gate
Ranipur Gate
is the best gate. We are going inside the park. I have some guests from different. So, where are you from? Tunisia. So, welcome to the national park, and welcome to the national park, and more than 36-kilometer area will go for safari. So welcome, and 36 to 40 kilometer,
Okay.
and it's very popular gate for leopard and elephants. So welcome to all of you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So we just seen the lapwing bird. That bird we call lapwing. This bird make a sound like, did you do it? The egg. बड़ा चलो दे दो. See, can you see that the blue birds? The two together. थोड़ा सा इधर गाड़ी को तो दबा left side में. If you see the blue one. Can you see that? Two. Now you can see. Yeah, it's a blue jay we can call, and also we known as roller, Indian roller bird. The beautiful bird in India. Chalo, chalo. So we have more than 350 species of bird in this area.
There's one here. Attention.
That's the same bird we have seen with the egg, the lapwing.
Oh, regarde avec des gros frères.
That's a spotted deer we call, or also known as cheetal deer, and the favorite food of leopards, tigers. This one is going with our family. There's a male and there's a more female and babies over there. So this male guy is going there.
Il va voir sa famille.
Yes, the fawn is on the tree. It's a Khalid pheasant. देख रहे हो भैया?
Un pan dans l'air?
दिखाओ भैया. If you see these nests we call weaver bird. These are weaver bird nest, and mostly the male they make this nest to attract the females, and then female is say yes, so the male female make together the whole nest.
She said yes. Yes. Le mâle et la femelle se choisissent.
भैया हाँ पान बीड़ी सिगरेट सुनाओ जरा, आवाज आ रही है ना. So they are saying nothing is over there this time. No, no movement. The big banyan tree, this kind of tree. That tree, that one
Yes.
is a banyan tree.
Banyan.
Yeah, they're very famous for for leopards, birds. They love to eat the fruits. Leopard go on this tree mostly.
Les léopards اللي يمشيوا mostly.
Sometimes leopard hang out on this tree And also, if the leopard did a kill, it takes up on this tree. Very beautiful tree, you know, very famous in India. It's also known as Buddha tree, you know. You know, yeah, Buddha tree also. See, there's a pug mark of the leopard. थोड़ा आगे. No, see this one. This one. थोड़ा आगे लो. आगे लो. Yes, the leopard pug mark. Yes, the leopard pug mark. This one. This one, the leopard pug mark. It's going this direction. Going in front. Eh? If you notice, there's an edge of mountain. There's a big sambar deer. It's a big deer. It's called sambar deer. Can you see that? No. No, you have to stand up. Then you can see. See from here.
La tête, il y a la tête.
See here.
Il bouge l'oreille là. Il bouge l'oreille. Voilà, il a bougé là.
It's a big sambar deer. Here is it. Can you see that?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Now it's
With your
moving,
phone we can move
going.
it. Very good.
It's going down. Going the different direction. It's called sambar deer.
Summer.
Sambar deer. चलो भैया. Yeah, these are mostly females there. See, if you notice, these are blue bulls. The blue bulls. Male is a bluish color, female is brown color, and that's the largest antelope, you know, of India. This one. Yeah, blue bull. It's called Nilgai, also known as Nilgai. But the female not looks like bluish. The male it looks like bluish. And the spotted deer, it's a spotted deer also known as cheetal. Yeah, shall we go? Hold on. विश भैया क्या चल रहा है फिर देखिएगा हाथी
Pardon, هو الحشيش en fait. Fallait vraiment voir.
mongoose going this direction
انت تقومين من البرد كنا مبلولين الناس تدفع انت تقومين من الهواء.
What's this?
see on the road see on the road
في الهواء.
Indian grey mongoose if you see that bird, that's a pan beedi cigarette bird, you know, the black francolin. Can you see? क्या फोटो खिंचवा रहा है भाई साहब beautiful, you know. If you guys want to see with this binocular, you can. Anybody wants to see with this. Pan beedi cigarette, yes. It's saying pan beedi cigarette, right? Can you hear? It's pan beedi cigarette saying.
Ça va? Ok.
On le voit bien avec ça.
Enfin, maintenant, je me prépare برشا.
Oh, flew off. It's flew off. Oh no, sorry. It's gone. Okay, hold it.
Juste شطر فقراني مانيش واقفة.
Il faudrait qu'il recule par contre. Ça, c'est peut-être pas mal. Can you
Okay.
go
Back?
backward?
Throw back little bit.
Because the sun.
Yeah, I know. We go a little bit back and see the monkeys there.
Hey, Carlo, il a mangé dans notre assiette. Ça va, Stapi? Yeah, great. On est des vaches caca. On fait les mecs.
The serpent eagle, crested serpent eagle. बंद कर लो गाड़ी। बढ़िया। Serpent eagle, yes. This eagle we call serpent eagle. This eagle eat mostly snakes. Feed on snakes.
J'ai pas modifié, il n'y a pas de. C'est quoi ton téléphone?
Crested serpent eagle, yeah.
C'est l'équivalent.
Serpent eagle.
Meilleur que l'iPhone.
चलो मिला कुछ मिला कुछ नहीं So we are going this way. There's a jeep standing up there. आगे लो चलते रहो. Elephant is there. See the elephant? बस रोक लो बंद कर लो गाड़ी. See elephant, yeah. Can you see that?
Il va bouger, vous allez voir. Regarde, il bouge.
दूरबीन को. Yeah, it's coming down, you know. It's browsing up there, and slowly it comes down, and it will come to here to take a water. But it takes time, you know. We don't know how long it comes, how long time it comes. Can you see that? Oh, see, it's going up. It's going a different direction. It could be a group, you know, like a big group of elephant.
We hope so.
Just we have to wait for here. Could be, but it's taking, you know, it's eating a grass there, means like bushes. So we don't know how long time it takes. Right, we see the tusker. Can you see? Male elephant. The right. So the male elephant is coming. Bull elephant. See, this is another babe, another female coming. Oh, that's a male. Different male. Oh, different male is coming from the left. Baby male. Wait a minute. Be quiet. Big male and the baby male. Happy guest. Happy. Oh, another baby coming. See the another. Another one more coming. The tusker. See, the tusker is moving. The male is going that side and they make a call, you know. Male tusker, wow. What a beauty. What a beautiful male. Are you guys happy now? Yeah. Chalo, ho gaya kam. Ho gaya. Let's go from here. We'll try for leopard. Hold it. Hold it. We'll go for leopard now.
Trouve mon téléphone, شنو بدمي سوري دمي شعرك حاير ومهني انت وقلبي اقوى مني
How was your safari going on?
Like this.
Like this.
Like I believe I can fly.
Thank you, thank you. Because time of leopard actually. So we are going that area. Leopard area. Peacock on the road. Beautiful tree. There's a deers there. So, how was your safari?
was fine. Good, very good.
Very
It was
good.
Fine.
So, Rajaji National Park, Ranipur Gate
Ranipur Gate
is the best gate.
best gate.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So, we are gonna end of the safari. The animals are still here.